Hi guys, my name is Peter Rogers and welcome to this YouTube channel. This channel I've put together to promote Onpassive and co-founders. Lots of information here on the channel, and if you're interested to find out what the business is about, then obviously watch some of the videos below. This is going to be a short intro to a video that's coming up next. It's a video done by one of the big leaders in co-founders and Onpassive, Mike Ellis. Mike's been around the business now for nearly 18 months and got a lot of knowledge. And he's going to be explaining in more detail what's going to be happening soon. Well, in the next few days or hours, it's going to be happening for the benefit of the founders of Onpassive. It goes through what's going to be happening. It says it's going to be a marketing campaign that's going to be starting shortly. And Mike's going to explain the benefits to the founders. Great little video, and as I said, if you're interested in being a founder yourself, click on the link below this video and I will definitely get back to you. But enjoy the video. It's a great video.
Onpassive and the co-founder position, it is a done deal. I think it is an absolute shoe-in to start taking care of that bottom line and giving you the ability to live the lifestyle you want to do. Today I want to talk to the founding members of Onpassive and those individuals that perhaps you've looked at Onpassive and the founding position and you just haven't come in yet. The founding position is an early bird position. It is a $97 position which locks you into Onpassive and locks you into the pay structure of Onpassive. As we look at Onpassive and what they're going to be doing, they are going to be doing a soft launch in hours or days. I believe it'll happen in the next 2 or 3 days, if not the next few hours. And as that happens, they're going to be doing some things that have never been done online before. And as they start the soft launch, Onpassive becomes a 100% automated company for you. Again, you won't find this any other place online. It is Onpassive. It is what they do. So as we look at the soft launch, here's what they're going to be doing for the founding members. Onpassive is going to take one of the tools from the automated marketing platform and they're going to start using it. And Onpassive, it is an IT company. They have developed an automated marketing platform with all the tools we need to market online. And they're going to take one tool, traffic, and they're going to start using it for the existing founders of Onpassive. That's you and I, those individuals that have come in and paid the $97. And here's what they're going to do. They're going to take that tool, they're going to start driving traffic for the existing founders to bring in people for their team. So they're going to drive the traffic, they're going to bring the people in, people are going to pay, they're going to be put on your team. Okay? They're going to start building your team. This is a really, really big deal. What company does this? There has never been a company that does this. Onpassive is unique. They are revolutionary. They were made for you and I. They are going to build your team during this soft launch. Now, why are they doing the soft launch? They're doing the soft launch primarily to test everything before they launch to the world. Everything is ready to go with Onpassive, but they have to test everything. And this is one of the benefits as founders that we get. They're going to run traffic for us. They're going to build our team. Not only that, but the people that they put on your team, the people they put on your team, they're going to pay you for them. I mean, that's just unbelievable. No other company has ever done that. You can come into Onpassive, pay the $97, lock your position in the company of Onpassive and the pay structure of Onpassive, and then get paid for them working for you. That's awesome. That's absolutely awesome. So as we look at Onpassive, they're going to be doing some really, really cool things for the founding members. That's one of the reasons the founding members, that position has such value. And again, as we look at the people that Onpassive is going to be putting underneath us, there are no qualifications in Onpassive. Whoever lands on your team, you get paid for them as we launch to the world and the Onpassive 3 by Infinity matrix is filled. What I want to do is show you two things, and this will be a short video today, guys. I really want to emphasize how powerful and how much value the founding position has. But as we look at the founding position and we look at, say, a 12-month period, I really want to look at that and give you what could be happening as we move forward in the next 12 months. And I'm going to run over and take a look at a 12-month scenario. And as we do that, you're going to get very excited about what's happening. Now, with this scenario, let's assume that Onpassive is going to bring one individual on our team per month. Every existing founder, one person on your team. And if we extrapolate that over a 12-month period, the 12th month, Onpassive is bringing in 2,048 people into your team. Cumulatively, it's 4,095. This is a really, really conservative estimate of what Onpassive is going to be doing for us. Let's say Onpassive brings in 2 or 3. These numbers get extremely large. And as we run over and take a look at the compensation program, and we look at that 4,095 number, that would take you down into the 7th level. And again, as we come into Onpassive, we all pick a membership level, 1, 2, 3, or 4. And again, there are no qualifications. And as you pick one level, whether it's the first level or the 3rd level, we will all force to be successful, and they will force you to take the next upgrade, 125, 250, 500, until everybody is in the 4th level. And if we look at this scenario of 4,905 people coming in, it puts you somewhere in here. And as we take it out to the 4th level, and we go to the running totals, it's between 70,000 and 241,000 per month. Now again, this scenario is Onpassive bringing one individual in for you and all the founding members per month. So as you add a founding member, obviously they're going to get one the next month. This is very, very conservative. I think Onpassive could do much, much better than this. But if this scenario took you, rather than a year, it took you a year and a half or 2 years, does it really matter? The amount of money that's going to be made from Onpassive because of what they do, because of the traffic they drive, it really is remarkable. And again, I want to stress, Onpassive, at the soft launch, this business becomes 100% automated for us, the existing founders. Onpassive, they're going to come in, they're going to drive traffic, they're going to put people underneath you, they're going to pay you for those people. Never been done before. And once you understand what Onpassive is doing, just with the soft launch, you're in. It really is as simple as that. Now again, after the soft launch, or when the soft launch begins, the price of the founding position goes up to $150. Again, it doesn't matter to me. I'd pay $10,000 to be able to come in and participate with Onpassive. That's how good it is. But that's what's going to happen as we do the soft launch. Now, if you're not a founding member now and you want to come in, pay the $97 and take advantage of that first marketing campaign, come on in. You are going to have to sign the NDA, which is a non-disclosure agreement. And I want to go over and just look at that very, very quickly. As you come in and you sign up for Onpassive, and you go into your back office, this is going to come up. This is the bottom of the page. You will scroll down to the bottom of the non-disclosure agreement, the NDA, and you have to sign it. If you're on a computer, you can sign this with your finger. It's what I've done. It doesn't have to be pretty. As you can see, mine isn't. But after you sign this non-disclosure agreement, you are good to go. All you have to do is sit back, and as Onpassive does the soft launch in hours or days, it's going to be very, very quickly, they're going to start building your team. They're going to start developing your team. And you can look at that scenario of them bringing in one every month and just see what happens for you. It's some really powerful stuff Onpassive is doing right now. As we look at everything that's happening with Onpassive, they're doing the soft launch to test everything, but it benefits us as existing founding members, and you all coming in as founding members if you get it done very, very quickly. Again, you can still come in after they start the soft launch and become a founder. It will be $150, but you will not participate in that first marketing campaign. And it's so important to get that process of building your team started now. Now, everything I've shown you today, everything we've talked about the founding position, This is strictly what Onpassive is going to be doing. It doesn't include what Marty, Dan, and I are going to be doing, because we are builders. We drive traffic. We bring in people every month, and we're bringing in a ton of people right now coming into our team, which is Onpassive Nation. And obviously, Marty, Dan, and I, we've had 3 for 15 months. Everything flows downhill in the corporate matrix, in our matrix, inside the corporate matrix, and it flows downhill left to right. So we don't need any more people in our first level. Everything's going down below and helping the people that we bring in. And then you add in what Onpassive is going to be doing at the soft launch, building all our teams. This is some really, really powerful stuff. And as we launch to the world and our team has started to develop and the real money starts coming in. Again, Onpassive is going to pay us for them building our team. But the real money comes in when we launch to the world and they start bringing customers in. And it doesn't matter who lands on our team. Again, there are no qualifications. Doesn't matter if they're independent resellers of IT products, which we will all be as Onpassive launches to the world, or customers. We get paid the same way, and the numbers are going to get really, really big in a hurry. But start building your team today. Come on in, pay the $97. Let Onpassive do what they do, and they do it really, really well. Start to build our team. Participate with Marty, Dan, and I. We're gonna help build your team, and from there, as we launch to the world and we get customers coming in, and your team starts to grow significantly, and I really mean significantly, the numbers get really, really large very, very quickly. But just look at that scenario of 12 months, 1 a month, everybody getting 1 a month. That's really, really conservative, and what can happen to your life. Really, really cool stuff. So really, that's all I wanted to share today. The founding position, the soft launch, what Onpassive is going to be doing for us. It's really, really cool stuff. Once you get that in your mind, what Onpassive is doing, how revolutionary it is, it's never been done before, and because of the way Onpassive has structured everything, guys, it was made for you and I to take care of that bottom line and change our lifestyle. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, I always recommend you go down there and subscribe to it. Click the bell on the right and you'll get notifications as I do more videos. I will do another video as soon as we get the word that the soft launch has started. I'll come on and do a quick video and update you on anything that we learn from Ash and his team. So that's it for today, guys. Come on in, become a founding member. If you want to wait a little bit, that's fine. You can wait until the soft launch starts and we're driving traffic just to see what's happening. But I can tell you, you don't want to miss this first marketing campaign. It will make a difference in your life. It will cut time frames, and it'll start to take care of that bottom line. So that's it for today, guys. Have a great week, and we'll absolutely see you at the top. Take care.